Using fennel seeds to promote healthy eyes. Fennel seeds, which resemble cumin seeds but are greener, are the dried seeds of the fennel herb. They taste like anise and smell warm and sweet. The fennel plant, Feniculum vulgar, is native to the Mediterranean region, but is now widely farmed all over the world. Fennel seed is the dried fruit of this plant. It is a tiny, oval-shaped seed that smells and tastes strongly of licorice. Fennel seeds have long been used as a homeopathic treatment to enhance eye health. The following is a straightforward recipe for fennel seed eye wash. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 1 cup of water. Instructions: 1. Bring a small saucepan's worth of water to a boil. 2. Stir in 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds and let the mixture simmer for 10 minutes. 3. Turn off the heat source and let the mixture cool in the pan until it reaches room temperature. 4. Remove the fennel seeds from the mixture and strain it through a cheesecloth or fine mesh strainer. 5. Apply a few drops of the fennel seed eye wash to each eye. To apply the eye wash, use a cotton ball or dropper. 6. Blink your eyes a couple of times to help the solution spread. 7. For optimal results, repeat this procedure twice daily, once in the morning and once in the evening. Stop using the eye wash and visit an eye doctor if you feel any discomfort or irritation.